Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can buy stuff from Pandabuy UK. First go to pandabuy.com. Then log in or sign up. I don't have an account, so I will sign up. Give all your information to sign up. To verify your account, go to your Gmail and click on this link in your mail to verify. Now our account is activated. Now we will log into our account. As you can see, we are logged into our account. Now you can paste the link of the product you want to purchase here, or you can just scroll down and find the product you want to purchase, or you can just search the product you want to buy. Here select the product you want to buy. I will choose this one. Then choose the color you want to buy. Then select the packaging type. Select your quantity. Check this agreed box and click on buy now. Here you will choose the country you want to ship the product. After confirming everything, click on I have agreed and submit order. For checkout, you first have to do the payment. Then it will be shipped to their warehouse of your country. When the product is arrived in your country, then you have to hold it, and then you also have to pay the price for shipping, and after some time it will arrive at your place. So this is the method on how you can buy things on Pandabuy UK. I hope you liked this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in our next video.